Hi, my name's Ethan Kocak. I draw the Black Mud Puppy, and today I'm just going to go over how to draw a simple cartoon character. Okay, for starters, I've got my canvas here, and I'm going to begin by sketching out what's going to look sort of like a bean shape. Most of my characters are usually about 4 heads tall. Some characters are 3. This character is going to be about 4. I tend to draw based on what is going to be affected by gravity the most. So a lot of people will start with the head, and sometimes I do, but usually I'll start with the body and kind of angle the hips and get a line of action going the way that I want. So it's going to go body, legs, then arms. And I like to put my characters in kind of funky poses, and I usually give them kind of a strange bad posture-y sort of neck. So there's my basic pose. Notice too that if you look at the back of his head and then the curve of his shoulder there, and then the right hand hips, everything is sort of opposing C shapes, and that creates a lot of interest. After I get the basic block out of the geometric shapes of where everything goes, very generally, I'll start filling in some details here. So I'll put some fingers on there. I'm going to give them kind of square fingers. And then next I'm going to actually add some detail to the face. So I'll put a line on the face, and that helps me kind of to sort of figure out in 3 dimensions where things should go and how they should look. Kind of get that nose and that funky little mouth. So I always just sort of work from very general to very specific. Even at this stage, I'm still trying to kind of keep things as loose as possible so that when I go back and ink, I can kind of make the corrections that I need to make. And there you have it. That's starting to look like a cartoon. Next up, I'll show you how to ink it and use layers.